Hello students, in earlier lecture we have seen examples of the double integration with the variable limit. So in this example we have already given limit of the integrations, but now we see those type example in which we have not given limit of the integration directly, but we have given the equation of the curves. So first of all, here we to find the limit of this type example we need to draw the region. After that we will find its limit. So before here we see this type example, here we write down some notes related to it. So write down the notes. That means here we discuss how to draw the lines, circle, parabola, ellipse, and here we discuss the standard equation, because if you don't know these things then you can't draw the region. So in this lecture, first of all, here we discuss all these things. So here we write the first note. X-axis and Y-axis are known as coordinate axis. મિત્રો, જે આપણી એક્સ એક્સિસ અને વાય એક્સિસ છે એને કોઓર્ડિનેટ એક્સિસ તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. સો કીપ ઇન યોર માઇન્ડ ધીસ ફર્સ્ટ નોટ. એક્સ એક્સિસ and y-axis are known as coordinate axis. Now equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. તો મિત્રો આ વસ્તુ ખાસ યાદ રાખજો. જે આપણી x axis છે અને y axis છે એને કયા નામે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે? કોઓર્ડિનેટ axis. And what is the equation of the x axis? Equation of x axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. So here we draw our x axis and y axis. So this is our x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this x-axis and y-axis known as the coordinate axis. What is the equation of the x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So equation of this axis is y is equal to 0. મિત્રો, આપણને જે એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આપેલા છે એમાં એવું આપેલું હશે યોર રિજિયન બાઉન્ડેડ બાય ધી કોઓર્ડિનેટ એક્સિસ. ધેટ મીન્સ આપણો જે રિજિયન હશે એ કોઓર્ડિનેટ એક્સિસ વડે બાઉન્ડેડ થયેલો હશે. તો એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ યુ શુડ નો અવર કોઓર્ડિનેટ એક્સિસ મીન્સ એક્સ એક્સિસ એન્ડ વાય એક્સિસ. સો કીપ ઇન યોર માઇન્ડ ધીસ ફર્સ્ટ નોટ. સો ફર્સ્ટ નોટ ઇઝ એક્સ એક્સિસ એન્ડ વાય એક્સિસ આર નોન એઝ કોઓર્ડિનેટ એક્સિસ. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So sometime we have given our region bounded by y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. That means you should know y is equal to 0 is nothing but our x-axis and x is equal to 0 is nothing but our y-axis. So this is the first note. This is our origin. Now we write this second note. Second note is x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point A0 and x is equal to a is known as is known as vertical line known as vertical line parallel with y-axis. So what is the second note? X is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0 and x is equal to a is known as the vertical line. તો મિત્રો જે x બરાબર a આપેલા છે એ લાઇનનું ઇક્વેશન છે passes through the point a0. So here we draw this line. So keep in your mind how to draw the equation of x is equal to a. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. What should I denote? X is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0. So this point a0 belongs on the x-axis. Suppose consider this is the point a. So coordinate of this point is the a0 as we know. So x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0. So x is equal to a, equation of this line is x is equal to a and parallel with the y-axis. મિત્રો જે આપણે લાઈન ડ્રો કરેલ છે x is equal to a કેને પેરેલલ છે y-axis ને પેરેલલ છે. So x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0 and x is equal to a is known as the vertical line. તો મિત્રો આ લાઈનને કેવી લાઈન તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે? vertical line. So x is equal to a is the vertical line and parallel with the y-axis. Suppose you say now to draw the equation of x is equal to 2. Now to say draw the line x is equal to 2, then how to draw? So here we consider, suppose this is the 0, this is the point 1 and this is the point 2. So x is equal to 2 is the equation of the line passes through the point 2, 0. So keep in your mind how to draw the equation of x is equal to a. So x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0 and x is equal to a is known as the vertical line. Similarly, y is equal to b is the equation of line passes through the point 0b and y is equal to b is known as the horizontal line. મિત્રો આપણે જાણીએ છીએ પ્રમાણે જે ઊભી લાઈન હશે એને કહેવાશે vertical line અને આડી લાઇન્સને કહેવાશે horizontal line. So here we write the next note. Y is equal to b is the equation of line passes through the point point 0b and y is equal to b is known as horizontal line. Parallel with x-axis. તો જે રીતે મિત્રો આપણે x is equal to a લાઈન ડ્રો કરેલ છે એ જ રીતે આપણે બીજી લાઈન મળશે y is equal to b. Y is equal to b is the equation of line passes through the point 0b and y is equal to b is known as the horizontal line. So here we draw this line. So x-axis, y-axis. On y-axis, suppose we consider this is the point B. So coordinate of this point is the 0b. So y is equal to b is the equation of line passes through the point 0b. So this is the equation of line y is equal to b. And observe this line parallel with the x-axis. So this line is known as the horizontal line. મિત્રો ઊભી લાઇન્સને કહેવાશે વર્ટિકલ લાઇન્સ અને આડી લાઇન્સને કહેવાશે હોરિઝોન્ટલ લાઇન. સો કીપ ઇન યોર માઇન્ડ ધીસ ટુ થિંગ્સ. x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0. Y is equal to b is the equation of line passes through the point 0b and parallel with the x-axis. So keep in your mind these two things. Here we take examples so you better understand. For example, draw the line x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. મિત્રો આપણે બે લાઈન ડ્રો કરવી છે, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 on the same plane. So here we draw first of all our xy plane. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here we just draw our region, just roughly, not need to draw our region in xy plane. મિત્રો આપણે જે region ડ્રો કરવાનો થશે એ રફલી ડ્રો કરવાનો થશે કે જેનાથી આપણે regionની લિમિટ ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકીએ. એ region આપણે ગ્રાફ પેપર ઉપર ડ્રો કરવાનો છે નહીં. So just draw the region roughly. Now we write this scale 1 2 3 4 on y-axis 1 2 3 4. Now to draw the line x is equal to 3, as we know x is equal to a is the equation of line passes through the point a0. So x is equal to 3 is the equation of line passes through the point 3 0. So here we draw the line. So this is the equation of line x is equal to 3 parallel with the y-axis. Now y is equal to 4 is the equation of line passes through the point 0 b. So our b is the 4. So y is equal to 4 is the equation of line passes through the point 0 4. So this coordinate is the 0 4. So here we draw the region. Here we draw the line passes through the point 0 4. So this is the equation of line y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 are the line on the xy plane. હવે મિત્રો આપણને એમ કીધું હોય your region bounded by coordinate axis and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So this is the coordinate axis, this is the x is equal to 3 and this is y equal to 4. That means our region bounded by this. Suppose we say draw the region bounded by coordinate axis and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. તો મિત્રો આપણે coordinate axis કોણ થશે? x axis અને y axis વડે. અને bounded કેના વડે થાય છે? x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So this is the our region bounded by coordinate axis and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So keep in your mind these things. Now we see next note. Now we see another equation of the lines. Now y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x are equation of line lines passes through origin. So we have discussed two equation of the lines. X is equal to a is also equation of line, y is equal to b is also equation of line. So this is the third types of the equation of the line. Y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. So y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x are equation of line passes through the origin. મિત્રો બંને ઇક્વેશન લાઇનના છે અને બંને લાઇન્સ ઓરિજિનમાંથી પાસ થશે. સો હિયર વી ડ્રો બોથ ધી લાઇન્સ. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the origin 0. Here we write this scale 1 2 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. મિત્રો આપણે y ઇક્વલ x લાઇન ડ્રો કરવી છે. તો લાઇન ડ્રો કરવા માટે આપણી પાસે તો પેલા કોઓર્ડિનેટ હોવા જોઈએ. સો ઇફ વી ટેક x is equal to 0 then y coordinate is the 0. That means our line passes through the point origin. Now if we take x is equal to 1, as you know how to draw the graph, take x is equal to 1, here we write as the x and y. If we take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. That means our line passes through the point 0 0. If we take x is equal to 1, then y is equal to also 1. Our line passes through the point 1 1. Now if we take x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to minus 1. So we have at least 2 points, then we can draw the line easily. મિત્રો આપણી પાસે ઓછામાં ઓછા 2 પોઈન્ટ હોય તો આપણે લાઈન ઇઝીલી ડ્રો કરી શકીએ છીએ. So here we see our line passes through the point 0 0 1 1 -1 -1. Similarly, line passes through the point 2 2 3 3 4 4 etc. So this is the point our 1 1, this is the point our 2 2, this point is the -1 -1, and this point is the -2 -2. So our line passes through the point. So this is the equation of line y is equal to x. Passes through the point origin 0 0. So now we draw the line y is equal to -x. So now for y is equal to -x, this is our y coordinate. If we take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. Now if we take x is equal to 1, then y becomes the -1. If we take x is equal to -1, then y becomes the +1. So this line y is equal to -x passes through the point 0 0, 1 -1 and -1 1. So this coordinate is the -1 1. This coordinate is the, so 1 -1, 1 -1. This coordinate is the 1 -1, -1 1. So -1 1. So this is the equation of line y is equal to -x. In short મિત્રો યાદ રાખવાનું છે y is equal to x છે એ લાઈન કેમાંથી પાસ થાય છે? ઓરિજિનમાંથી અને ફર્સ્ટ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ અને થર્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાંથી. જ્યારે y is equal to -x લાઈન છે કેમાંથી પાસ થાય છે? ઓરિજિનમાંથી અને સેકન્ડ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ અને ફોર્થ ક્વાડ્રન્ટમાંથી. So here in general equation of this is the y is equal to mx and y is equal to -mx. મિત્રો જ્યાં પર્ટિક્યુલર એક્ઝામ્પલ લખેલા છે y is equal to x અને y is equal to -x. જનરલ ઇક્વેશન લાઈનના છે y is equal to mx and y is equal to -mx. So keep in your mind y is equal to mx is the equation of line passes through the point origin and first quadrant and third quadrant, and y is equal to -mx is the equation of line passes through the origin and second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Suppose you say y is equal to 2x, then you can easily draw the line passes through the origin and in first quadrant and third quadrant. So this is the third note, keep in your mind. Now we see the next note. Now we write the next note. Next equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. This is the also equation of the line, and this equation is known as the intercept form of the lines. So x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 is the equation of line passes through the point A0 and 0b. So this is the equation of line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 and passes through the point A0 and 0b. So here we draw this line on our xy plane. So this is the x axis, this is the y axis. મિત્રો જે આ લાઈન છે એ કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થાય છે? A0 અને 0b માંથી. So A0 is the point on the x-axis. Suppose this is the point A. So this point is say A0 and 0b is the point on the y-axis. Suppose this is the point 0b. So now our line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 passes through the point A0 and 0b. So here we draw the line. So this is the equation x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. તો આપણી જે મિત્રો લાઈન છે x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 એ કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? A0 અને 0b માંથી. સપોઝ યુ સે now to draw the line x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. હવે મિત્રો આ લાઇનનું ઇક્વેશન આપણે ડ્રો કરવું છે, આ લાઇન્સને આપણે XY પ્લેનમાં ડ્રો કરવી છે, તો કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 passes through the point a0 and 0b. So this line passes through the point 2 0 and 0 3. તો મિત્રો આપણે XY પ્લેનમાં ડ્રો કરીએ તો આ રીતે ડ્રો થશે તે x axis y axis. So passes through the point 2 0, કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? 2 0 અને 0 3. So this is the point 2 0 and 0 3. So this is the point 0 3. So our line passes through this point 2 0 and 0 3. So x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. So this is the our line x by 2 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે આપણને લાઇનનું ઇક્વેશન આપેલું હોય ત્યારે કેવી રીતે ડ્રો કરીશું? તો કે જે લાઇન હશે એ કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? a0માંથી અને 0bમાંથી પાસ થશે. વાય? બિકોઝ હવે મિત્રો જે આપણી લાઇન છે એ એક્સ એક્સિસને ટચ કરશે તો એનો વાય કોઓર્ડિનેટ કેવો હશે? 0 હશે. સો ધેટ મીન્સ ધીસ લાઇન પાસીસ થ્રુ ધ પોઈન્ટ 2 0 અને વાય એક્સિસને ટચ કરે મિત્રો ત્યારે એક્સ કોઓર્ડિનેટ કોણ હોય? 0 હશે. સો that means our line passes through the point 0 3. So how to remember? Line passes through the point 2 0 and 0 3. Keep in your mind these things. Now we see the next note. આ જ રીતે મિત્રો આપણું બીજું ઇક્વેશન બનશે. Write down the next note. Minus x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 is the equation of line passes through the point. કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે મિત્રો? minus a0 passes through the point minus a0 and 0b. મિત્રો આ ક્વાડ્રન્ટ ચેન્જ થઈ ગયું છે. So here we draw this line. This is the x axis, this is the y axis. Our line passes through the point minus a0. So minus a0 મિત્રો right hand side left hand side માં આવશે. Suppose consider this is the point minus a0 and 0b is already positive 0b. So our line passes through these 2 points. So this is the equation minus x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. તો મિત્રો જ્યારે આ પ્રમાણે આપણને લાઈન ઇક્વેશન આપેલું હશે ત્યારે કેમાંથી પાસ થતી હશે? minus a0 અને 0b માંથી પાસ થતી હશે. For examples, we have given equation of line minus x by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. હવે મિત્રો આ લાઇન્સને આપણે XY પ્લેનમાં ડ્રો કરવી છે તો કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? -4 0 અને 0 5 માંથી પાસ થતી આપણે લાઇન ડ્રો કરવાની રહેશે. સો કીપ ઇન યોર માઇન્ડ ધીસ થિંગ્સ. મિત્રો આ રીતે 4 કેસ બનશે. જેમ રીતે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ કેસ જોયો x upon a plus y upon b પોઝિટિવ, સેકન્ડ કેસ minus x upon a plus y upon b. Now third case is plus x upon a but minus y upon b. So this is the third case. In this case our line passes through the point a0 and 0 minus b. So at that time here we draw the region. તો મિત્રો આ કેસમાં આપણી જે લાઇન પાસ થશે કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? a0. So this is the consider as the a0 point and 0 minus b. So negative. Suppose this is the point 0 minus b. So our line passes through these 2 points. So equation of this line is the x upon a minus y upon b is equal to 1. So keep in your mind these third things. એ રીતે મિત્રો હવે છેલ્લો આપણો જે કેસ બનશે minus x upon a minus y upon b is equal to 1 passes through the point minus a0 and minus 0b. તો એ કેસમાં મિત્રો આપણી લાઈન કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થશે? સપોઝ કન્સિડર ધીસ ધ પોઈન્ટ minus a0. So our line passes through the point minus a0 and 0 minus b. So here we draw this line. So this is the equation minus x upon a minus y upon b is equal to 1. So we have 3 types of the equation of the lines. x upon a plus y upon b passes through the point a0, 0b. Minus x upon a plus y upon b passes through the point minus a0, 0b. Third is the x upon a minus y upon b passes through the point a0 and 0 minus b. And last one is the minus x upon a minus y upon b is equal to 1 passes through the point minus a0 and 0 minus b. So keep in your mind these four form of the line, and this the intercept form of the lines. Now we discuss the standard equation of the circle and how to draw the circle. Now our next note is, as we know standard equation of the circle, standard equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is the standard equation of the circle. As we know, x square plus y square is equal to s square. Center is, what is the center? Origin 0, 0, and radius is a. So how to draw this? So this is our circle, standard x axis, y axis. મિત્રો જે આપણું સર્કલ છે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇક્વેશન છે એનું સેન્ટર હશે ઓરિજિન મીન્સ 0, 0 with the radius a. So this is the radius. So on the positive x axis, this point is the a0. This point is the also 0 a. This point is the minus a0, and this point is the 0 minus a, because all are the radius. So x square plus y square is equal to a square is the equation of this circle passes through the point a0, 0a, minus a0 and 0 minus a with the center 0, 0. So keep in your mind this thing. Suppose we say draw the circle. Now for example, x square plus y square is equal to 4. So this is the standard equation of the circle. Center is the 0, 0. And radius a is equal to 2. મિત્રો આપણી રેડિયસ a is equal to 2 થશે. ઘણા બધા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો જ્યારે સર્કલ ડ્રો કરવાનું કહે છે ત્યારે સર્કલ ડ્રો કરે છે, પણ કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસથી ડ્રો કરે છે? 4, 0, 0, 4, minus 4, 0, 0, minus 4. There is nothing but your a square. Our radius is the a. So find out its square root. So now we draw this circle. Here we just draw the roughly. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is the minus 1, minus 2. So this is the equation of the circle. Center is the origin and passes through the point 2, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 0 and 0 minus 2. So keep in your mind how to draw the standard equation of the circle. So now here we write also the general equation of the circle, as you know, but we were just given the standard equation of the circle. So here we also write down the general equation. General equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So as we know, this is the general equation of the circle. Center is minus g minus f and radius is under root g square plus f square minus a. So this is the formula to find the radius of the circle of the general equation. Center is minus g minus f and radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. So also keep in your mind this general form of the circle. Now we see the parabola. So here we write the standard equation of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. Our standard equation of parabola. Whose vertex is origin 0, 0. As you know, y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay are standard equation of the parabola whose vertex is the 0, 0. That means આપણા જે ચારે ચાર પેરાબોલા છે કેમાંથી પાસ થશે origin 0, 0 માંથી. So here we draw the shape of all. So in first one, xy, this is our origin. Now first one is the y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x is the equation of parabola passes through the point origin equal to 4x. So this is the first curve. Now we draw the second curve. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is our origin. So y square is equal to minus 4x passes through the point origin and open with the minus negative x-axis. So y square is equal to 4x passes through the origin and open with the positive x-axis. Y square is equal to minus 4x passes through the origin and open with the negative x-axis. अब मित्रों प्रॉब्लम ये है कि शेप केवी रीते याद राखो तो इट्स वेरी इजी टू रिमेम्बर दिस शेप. नाउ सी हियर मित्रों અહીં ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરો કેવા છે પ્લસ 4x. ધેટ મીન્સ આપણા જે x છે કેવા છે પોઝિટિવ x છે તો જે આપણો કર્વ હશે એ કઈ બાજુ ઓપન હશે પોઝિટિવ x એક્સિસ બાજુ. નાઉ સી ઇન ધીસ કેસ માઇનસ x તો મિત્રો આ રીતે યાદ રાખવાનું પ્લસ x તો ઓપન વિથ ધી પોઝિટિવ x એક્સિસ માઇનસ x ધેન ઓપન વિથ ધી નેગેટિવ x એક્સિસ. હવે તમે ઇઝીલી ડ્રો કરી શકશો x સ્ક્વેર ઇક્વલ ટુ 4ay એન્ડ x સ્ક્વેર ઇક્વલ ટુ minus 4ay. સો નેવર ફોરગેટ ધીસ થિંગ્સ. Now we draw the third one. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. આ રીતે મિત્રો યાદ રાખશો તો ક્યારે ભૂલાશે નહીં. Now see plus y. So plus y है तो કઈ બાજુ ઓપન હશે મિત્રો પોઝિટિવ y-axis ઉપર. So this is the our parabola passes through the origin and open with the positive y-axis. So there is the equation y square is equal to x square is equal to 4ay. This is the equation y square is equal to minus 4x. Now remain the last case. So here we draw the last case. Fourth one. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. As we know, minus 4ay means minus y. तो कई बाजू ओपन हशे मित्रों नेगेटिव y-axis ऊपर and passes through the origin. So this is the equation x square is equal to minus 4ay and passes through the origin 0. So keep in your mind this standard fourth form of the parabola. Plus 4x open with the positive x-axis, minus x open with the negative x-axis, plus y open with the positive y-axis, and minus y open with the negative y-axis. So these four types of the standard equation of the parabola. Now here we also mention the equation of the general equation of the parabola. So here we write the general equation. Note down. General equation of parabola is y minus q whole square is equal to a x minus p. મિત્રો આ પેરાબોલાનું જનરલ ઇક્વેશન છે, passes through the vertex or whose vertex is PQ, and second equation is x minus p whole square is equal to a y minus q whose vertex is મિત્રો જે રીતે આપણે આગળ વાય સ્ક્વેર અને એક્સ સ્ક્વેરના બે આપણા પેરાબોલાના ઇક્વેશન બને છે, એ જ રીતે અહીં આપણા બે જનરલ ઇક્વેશન બને છે. ફર્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ y minus q whole square is equal to a into x minus p. So this is the first equation of the parabola general equation. Second one is the x minus p whole square is equal to a into y minus q, and vertex is of first one is the pq and second one is also pq. Means જે આપણા બંને પેરાબોલાના શેપ છે કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થતા હશે? પોઈન્ટ pq and point PQ. જે રીતે આપણું પેરાબોલા છે y સ્ક્વેર ઇક્વલ 4x, દેટ મીન્સ આપણે જે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇક્વેશન છે એનું વર્ટેક્સ કોણ છે? 0 0. એ જ રીતે જનરલ ઇક્વેશન છે આપણા એના વર્ટેક્સ થશે PQ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, here we take example so you better understand. y square is equal to 2x minus 2. So this is the equation of the parabola. મિત્રો આ પેરાબોલાનું જનરલ ઇક્વેશન છે. now we compare with this form. આ ફોર્મ આપણે મિત્રો કમ્પેર કરાવી તો શું થશે? y minus q whole square is equal to 2. here we consider with the ax minus p. તો મિત્રો આપણે પેરાબોલાનો શેપ ડ્રો કરવો છે તો એ પેરાબોલા કયા પોઈન્ટમાંથી પાસ થતો હશે? PQ. So here we find the vertex PQ. So to find the vertex PQ, here we compare with this. મિત્રો y સ્ક્વેર આ રીતે લખાશે y minus 0 whole square. Now see, y square is equal to 2x minus 2 is the equation of the parabola. Compare with the general form. So y square we write as the y minus 0 whole square. Now here we take 2 outside. So remain the x minus 1. હવે મિત્રો આને આપણે કમ્પેર કરાવી સાથે આપણે જનરલ ફોર્મ સાથે. So y minus q, y minus 0. So our q is the 0. A is the 2, x minus p, so x minus 1, so our p is the 1. So our vertex is PQ. તો આપણું vertex કોણ થશે મિત્રો? whose vertex is PQ. So our p is the 1 and q is equal to 0. 1 0. That means this is the equation of the parabola passes through the point 1 0. So here we draw this parabola. So 1 0 belongs on the x-axis. So this is the point 1 0. તો મિત્રો આપણું જે પેરાબોલા છે હવે આપણે ડ્રો કરવો છે શેપ, તો કઈ બાજુ ઓપન હશે નક્કી કરવું છે મિત્રો. અહીં જોવું જોઈએ કેવા છે x આપણા પોઝિટિવ છે. સો our x is the positive, then we open with the positive x-axis. So here we draw our parabola in this way, passes through the point 1 0. y square is equal to 4ax. x positive છે તો કઈ બાજુ ઓપન હશે? પોઝિટિવ x-axis બાજુ. Similarly our x is the positive, so open with the positive x-axis and passes through the point 1 0. So this is the equation of parabola y square is equal to 2x minus 2. મિત્રો આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોશું ત્યારે તમારે વધારે ક્લિયર થશે આ ટોપિક્સ. એટ ધ ટાઈમ વી વિલ ડ્રો મોર એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ ઓફ ધીસ ટાઈપ પેરાબોલા સો યુ કેન બેટર અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ જનરલ ઇક્વેશન ઓફ ધી પેરાબોલા. નાઉ ટુડે વી સ્ટોપ હિયર. ઇન નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર વી વિલ ડિસ્કસ 2 more equations, ellipse and hyperbola. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good all of you.